Since we've completed atoms, I've signed your element paper. You'll see it right here on the course content. Here is the paper assignment. These are the Word documents you can download. Everything in the world around us is made of the same set of building blocks, about 110 different elements. I want you to write a 3 to 5 page paper describing the physical properties, the electronic structure, the reactivity, and other atomic properties learned in class. Tell me how the element was discovered. How is it isolated or purified? This will differ on your element. If you have an element like tin that was used in ancient times, you might say that a particular ancient civilization used tin. Or if you have something that's more modern, you'll have an actual person who first isolated and purified it. The major uses of the element, commercial and otherwise, and how you might encounter the element in daily life. If the element became unavailable due to supply issues, how would our way of life be affected? You also need to pick one of these additional topics to look at. You may want to start with the TED periodic videos. Those are really good. Compound chemistries, endangered elements. The Royal Society of Chemists has a really good site. You can start also on our own library, has a good page. So these are your guidelines. You want to make sure it's 3 to 5 pages in length. We will be checking the assignment for plagiarism, so don't plagiarize. Okay, let's go back. Here's your names, and they're your elements. You need to do the assigned element. If you don't like your element, let me know and I'll give you a different one. If you don't think you can find enough material, I'll be glad to give you another one. Here's the rubric. And this is how it'll be graded. There'll be 2 points for paper length, font size, and spacing. 6 points will be divided over the key concepts, spelling and grammar, and the transition, how well the paper reads. There'll be 20 points. The bulk of the paper will be about the physical properties, the connections made between the element discovery and the scientific method, major uses of the element, discussed in a creative, thorough, and relevant manner, with the element production, supply, and use connected to personal and social responsibility, and an additional topic that you chose. Were the sources deemed reliable? You will need at least 3 sources. I think that's right. Is there a list of references? Okay. And you'll turn it in online. There'll be a space just below the rubric for you to turn it in. It is due September 25th at 4 o'clock. Good luck. Have a good time writing.